In my dreams, I visit these areas. It's one of the places that are very close to my heart. It's my childhood playground. As young boys, as we were growing up, we would actually take a trip down and would sleep over here. We'd make fire, would camp. This, when I see Tendo, this is home. My name is Sinekuku, which means we have pride. I've been doing my level best to make sure that people are proud of the rich biodiversity that they have within this area of Pondoland. Pondoland Center of Animism is a very special place, and it's a beautiful place. Very small, but has got a high diversity, about 2,200 indigenous plant species, 200 of which are not found anywhere else in the world, but only in this area. As a little boy growing up, this is what we would eat, because you leave your home very early in the morning, coming to the field to look after the cattle. And you had to learn from the elderly boys how to differentiate between the poisonous and the edible plants. So if you know your trees, you never go hungry. This is Clivia robusta. In our local language, we call it maime, let it stop. And the use is mainly to chase away the evil spirits. Hence, it's called maime, because if the tokoloshe comes to your house and is there, so they will go back, they will stop, they won't enter your house. So this is very popular as a magic plant. I've traveled the world and I've seen how special and unique our area is. And that has given me passion to stand up and fight for what we have. Indigenous plants are very central to the culture, to the lifestyle, to the language of the people in many ways. Can you check this one?
What's on here?
Okay, let's check. Nonhle is one of the local guides, and because she has been very concerned about the protection of the land in Pondoland, that has motivated her to find out more, because she has been hearing people talking about environment, and she's busy now trying to grasp and to understand more. The aim of the stewardship project is to give people an opportunity to be stewards of the environment, or to protect their own environment for their own benefit and for the benefit of the future generations. There's definitely something wrong with the education system, because largely we are seeing more and more young people losing touch with heritage. My plan is to work with the herbalists to document their knowledge of the biodiversity. Put that in a book for the young people to access this information. Oh, lisegadini. Okay, I guess so. I'm a sekulo. Uthiza nje noma kakhulu ako. Njani go?
Hayi sikhoyo no.
Ndiyazi uba akhona namakhamba acholakala kule ndawo kuphela angekho kwezinye indawo. Ikakhulu umdla wethu uba ngawapha khona lapha abalulekileyo wazi wena aluncedo ebantwini. Igama lawo isibali.
Labatheka. Ibalekile kakhulu kwemisebenzini kuyo yonke ubana sendrele eziliyangena.
Yeah, she's one of those that the late Dr. Mandeshabalala Msimang was championing in terms of the defense against HIV/AIDS. This used as immune booster. When you interact with these herbalists and they share the knowledge they have of these plants, you then begin to feel that Pondoland Center of Animism is actually a living pharmacy, which is right out there on their doorstep. The biggest threat to the Pondoland Center of Animism is the mining. The mining will be located within 1.5 kilometers of the high water mark. Those red deserts, that's the area that the government has issued the mining license for. The majority of the people here, they are opposed. Looking into the water, you can actually see the black sands on the edge and also underwater. So that's your titanium deposit. The driving force behind mining is the need to make more money. It is not a blessing at all for this area. It is a curse. These red sands are also very special places. They are heritage sites because we found within them the Sangoan Stone Age tools. You have these sharp-pointed knives that they would use during the late Stone Age tool that were very designed for skinning the animals, as the people living here were hunter-gatherers by then. There are actually hundreds of graves around these red dunes that they want to mine. The people still visit those gravesites because they know the spirits are lying there. The mining wants to blow these things away and become nothing. Molweni ngitata ninjani? Sikhona nathi. I went to Mr. Gambe because I know how passionate he is about protecting the land.
Masihleli kuwo sidle singayanga ukokhokha sizilimela thina apha phansi kube ke imali asinakuyenza nto kakhulu thina ngoba iyaphela umhlaba upheli ngeke ubulunge lo mhlaba mongangena imayini singabe sifile sizawukuthuzela luthulu esivele sikhohlela yabona
Yeah.
mabayeke ukweba jikele ngale kwethu ngemva badayise ngathi bathi sivumile into esingayivumanga ndiba umuntu ndikawufela kuye kuba uthi angafaka le nto la ayifake sekufeni nayi ndisekho.
Listening to an elderly man like Mr. Gampe, who's prepared to die for this land, is what gives me the passion to carry on fighting. The biggest problem of the young people today is that they are not given the opportunity to listen and to learn from the elderly people. Here's Amshan. Ngizothatha wena ke mfundi yami ndihambe nawe kuyoshona nawe emthini. So hlanganisa ilimbala yazwa nguwe nalimbala yazwa nguwe Mshan. Yebo siyami. This one here is the forest bamboo, and the forest bamboo has got many uses. The little boy told me that this one is for toothache. They will crush this and boil it, so that decoction you use that to gargle, and it will sort out the toothache. This big tree here has got the strangler fig, which has wrapped its roots around it, and what it does is squeezing life out of this big tree. Ultimately, the tree that has given life to the stranglerfeet will die. So that same thing applies to human beings. Mother Earth has given them a chance in life of having the oxygen and all the food and all that. But once people are established, they think they are powerful enough, they want to destroy Mother Earth. Uyakuthanda vele ukwazi ngemithi umuntu othile ngokwenzani umuntu othile ngokwenzani.
Manje bafuna umuntu ofuna umde angawazi ezeko uphuza.
Ezindawo zenu zinhle kanje zezenu ufuneka nizinakekele nina. Ezinye izihlahla nithi ziyaziya kuzinento ezidliwayo. Eyonto ke sithi abantu mabayigcine kahle indalo yabo ngoba iluncedo kubo. Izivakashi yakwazi ukuzithatha uzizisa uzibonise la. My advice to young people is that they must learn from the elderly people, the heritage that they have. As a society, we have to begin to value our heritage and value what Mother Earth has to offer us.